Welcome to the Disney Parks Podcast, your Disney infotainment podcast. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the podcast at all times, and get ready for the Disney Parks Podcast.
Okay, we are in the Oceaneer Lab, not the club, the lab. We're going to start at the left-hand side. So this is the main room. They got a checkerboard and a nice big screen. So here's the entrance here. Place for the kids to wash their hands. Check-in points. Gates are usually locked, and everybody's got to tap in. Parents have to tap in. Kids have to tap in. And they have to match. So here's the animator studio. This is where the kids can come and draw. So they got lots of fun things in here to look at. Some cool things. And they will have little animation stations. Got some stools underneath. They have their paper, and then they have some different drawings. They can color on those, and then they get erased. So pretty cool stuff. There you go. Everybody knows what that is. Okay, so over here, the next area is the craft studio. So they have supplies over there. Got some pencils and paper, some markers, all kinds of foam and craft stuff so that the kids can play with, make their own thing. They can build a Mickey, just see there. So this is now arcade games. They have some Nintendo Switch. They have some Xbox. So you can see them playing Mario on the Nintendo Switch. They can even show a movie. And they have little simulators here where you can simulate cargo ship. That's pretty cool. It's called the Wheelhouse. So over on this side, these are all tables. They have different things like Uno or Jenga or Dominoes. They have all kinds of games for the kids to play on these tables. They got nice art. They have movies playing. Got more movies playing. They got little sitting areas and mats for kids to play at. And then they even have in here their own little restrooms. So they got 7 little restrooms. Little places for them to wash their hands. They just stick their hands in. It'll wash their hands for them. Got a nice little Mickey mirror. So look at how big that space is. That's pretty big. It's pretty cool. Almost makes you want to be a kid again. You know? And so we're right back to the entrance. And this is open house today for 3 hours, so check it out. See you soon. Okay, this is the Oceaneer Club check-in desk. We're going to swing around to the entrance. This is what it looks like. So we got Andy's room, which is first thing off to the left. There's a Sleepy Dog slide. That's like Andy's bed up there. You can see the headboard. See that? There's the stairs up there. Got some Andy art. Andy did. got toys. We got some more art up there. Yeah. TV screens throughout. And Mr. Potato Head.
I think you're a I got shot!
We got hand.
Whoa!
Some more art there.
I got shot in the butt!
This is like an arts and crafts room.
Go to your tent.
So you got, it's like Junior.
I think it's time we took this war
Mickey Racers.
to our own hands.
Nice place to sit, watch a movie, do arts and crafts, club, all kinds of things in here. Okay, then we're going to go into the Avengers room. This is the Disney Junior Club room. We're going now to the Avengers room. So we got a nice monitor. Got a little gateway. Yeah. Thor's hammer. Thor's hammer right there. And Avengers. Got the Super Academy. There's the nice logo. Then you have Iron Man 6 prototype. Very cool. And then you have Captain America's shield. There you go. That's nice. You know, who wouldn't want that in the room? So next up, you have some restrooms. You got 5 restrooms. And you got a place for the kids to wash their hands. Right there. Then you have the Walt Disney Treasure of Children's Classic. So these are books. Yeah, well, it looks like books. And then a giant movie screen. Pixie Hollow, we'll get to that. And then this is the open area. You can see all the rooms here. So we're going to Pixie Hollow. Pretty cool. In the ceiling. That's it. That's the Oceaneer Club. Alright. See you back.
The Disney Parks podcast is not affiliated with the Walt Disney Company. All Disney parks, attractions, lands, shows, event names, etc. are registered trademarks of the Walt Disney Company.